Hi class, we're going to review double and triple digit addition for math this week. So get your dry erase boards if you have one, or pencil and paper, or a notepad, or whatever you have. Get ready because I want you to solve these with me, okay? All right, let's do this. Okay, we're going to start with 58 plus 36. Okay, so remember with expanded form, we are breaking this up into our tens and our ones here. Okay, so we've got 5 in our tens place, so that is 50, and 8 in our ones place, so 50 plus 8. Okay, then we're going to break up our 36 into 30 plus 6. Okay, is that how you did yours? All right, then we're going to add our ones first. So we have 8 plus 6. So hopefully you've been practicing your facts every day because this is going to help you not just right now, but in 3rd grade and 4th grade and on and on and on through life. So 8 plus 6 is 14. And then we've got 50 plus 30, or 5 tens plus 3 tens, and that's equal to 80. Okay, so we're going to add those together, but we want to take this 14, we want to split it up into 10 plus 4. Okay, and then we're going to cross that off because we broke it up. All right, we're going to want to start here with our tens first. We've got 80 plus 10 is 90. And then we have 4 more, so 90 plus 4. So your final answer is 94. Okay? All right, these are going to get a little bit harder as we go, so each step is going to add a little bit more to it, okay? Okay, here's your next one. Get ready. All right, we're going to do 65 plus 76. Okay? All right, go ahead and break up 65. Did you do 60 plus 5? All right, now let's go ahead and let's break up 76. Okay, did you do 70 plus 6? Okay, let's add our ones place first. So we have 5 plus 6. I know my doubles, 5 plus 5 is 10, so 5 plus 6 would be, hopefully you said 11. All right, now we're going to do our tens over here. We have 6 tens plus 7 tens. I know 6 plus 7 is 13, and 13 tens would be 130. Okay, now this one we have to break them both up into expanded form. Okay, so this one would be a 1 in the hundreds place and a 3 in the tens, nothing in the ones. And this one would be a 1 in the tens place would be 10, plus a 1 in the ones place. All right, so we're going to combine. How many hundreds do we have here? Just 1. We've got 100 plus how many tens? You see it? A 30 and a 10. So 100 plus 40 plus just 1 1. All right, and put it all together, and that is 141. Okay, all right, we're going to go into the hundreds now. So last week we did without regrouping, but this week we do have regrouping because we've done this for 2 months now. So I know we just took a month off for our digital learning and learning other things, but we've been doing this. So let's hope that this jogs your memory, okay? All right, let's say we've got 239 plus 147. Okay? All right, we're going to break our 239 up into 200s plus 3 tens plus 9 ones. Okay, so what you have, 200 plus 30 plus 9, that's our expanded form. All right, now let's break up 147. We have 100 plus we have 4 tens, plus we have 7 ones. Okay, did you come up with 100 plus 40 plus 7? All right, we're going to add, always start here with the smallest and go to the biggest. So we're going to add 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7, do you know it? 16. Okay, then we're going to add 30 plus 40, or 3 tens plus 4 tens, which is 70. Okay, and then we're going to add 200 plus 100, which is 300. All right, if you're on the right track, you should have 300 plus 70 plus 16. Okay, this one I don't have to break up. I can see it's already hundreds. This is already tens, but this one I've got a mixture of tens and ones, so I have to split it up. Well, it's just easier if I split it up. Okay, all right, so this is 16. That would be 10 plus 6. Okay, I'm going to cross it off because I used it. All right, now let's look here. We have hundreds. We only have 100, or one set of 100s. So we have 300. Plus we have 2 sets of 10s here. So we have a 70 and a 10, which is equal to 80. And then we have 6 ones. Okay, I'm going to put it all back together, and I come up with 386. All right, we hanging in so far? We're going to make it another step harder. All right, let's say we've got, how about 454? We're going to add 269. Okay? All right, let's split up our 454. Let's split this up in between my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. Okay, you go ahead and do it, and then I'm going to do it too. Okay, did you come up with 400 plus 50 plus 4? Okay, let's go to the next. It's 269. Go ahead and split it up. Okay, did you come up with 269? All right, now we're going to add these together. Okay, let's add our ones first. 4 plus 9 is, did you say 13? Okay, let's go to our next, our 10. Go to our tens column. We have 5 tens plus 6 tens. 5 plus 6 is 11 tens, which would be 110. See, 11 tens. All right, let's now go to our hundreds. We've got 400 plus 200. Okay, come up with 600. All right, now we're going to have to, we don't have to split this one up, but we're going to have to split this one and this one. All right, so this one we have to split up in between 100 plus 10. And this one we have to split up between 10 plus 3. Okay. All right, we're going to look for our biggest one first here. So we look for our hundreds. I've got hundreds here and hundreds here, so I'm going to combine those. We've got 600 plus 100 is 700. And then we're going to do 10 plus 10. 20. Plus 3 more. Put it all together. And you should come up with 723. All right, one more. All right, each one is getting harder, so this one will be harder than all the others. You ready? Okay, we're going to say 618 plus 458. We'll put a double in there. Okay. Let's push this down a little bit. All right, so we're going to break up 618. Go ahead and do it, and then I'll do it too. Okay, did you come up with 600 plus 10 plus 8? Okay, now let's do 458. Okay, did you come up with 400 plus 50 plus 8? All right, let's add it together. So start with our ones. This is a double. 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, go to your tens. 10 plus 50 is 60. And then let's go to our hundreds. 600 plus 400 is, so 6 plus 4 is 10 hundreds, which is also known as 1,000. Okay, this is a big whopper one for you guys. All right, now we're going to combine these. Okay, I don't have to split this one up. That's already ready to go. This one's ready to go, but this one, I've got a mixture of tens and ones, so I'm going to have to split it up. Okay, 16 is 10 plus 6. All right, here we go. We've got 1,000. Ooh, this is a tricky one, Miss Medlin. I don't have any hundreds. Do you see any hundreds in there? I don't have any hundreds. So I'm just going to put a 0 to hold my place for my hundreds. Okay, do I have any tens? I see 2 of them. I see a 60 and a 10. So that is 70. Plus my ones, I've just got 6. I'm going to put that all together. Ooh, don't let this trick you here. I've got 1 in the thousands. Move that back up a little bit. I have 0 in my hundreds. I have 7 in my tens. And then I have 6 in my ones. That was a hard one. 1,076. Okay? All right. Maybe just one more, because you know I am the queen of one more. And that one was a hard one. Let's try another hard one as a bonus. Okay? All right. Last one for sure this time. 857 plus 695. Okay, the queen of one more says, here we go. All right, go ahead and split up 857. I'll do it too. Okay, did you come up with 800 plus 50 plus 7? Okay, let's do 695. Okay, did you come up with 600 plus 90 plus 5? All right, we're going to add these together. Start with my ones. I've got 7 plus 5. It's a basic fact. Have you been practicing? Okay, that's 12. All right, I've got 50 plus 90, or 5 tens plus 9 tens is 14 tens, 140. Okay, now I've got 800 plus 600. This is where those facts keep coming into play. What's 8 plus 6? So it's 14 hundreds. I'm going to put my comma in there. All right, now these, oh, this is a hard one. I've got to split up all 3 of these. Okay, let's split this up here. I'll split up between my thousands. So I've got 1,000 plus a 4 in my hundreds. So 1,000 plus 400. And I've got 0, so I don't need to do anything else there. All right, plus, let's split this one up. There's a 1 in the hundreds. I didn't even plan that. Plus a 4 in the tens, so plus 40. Okay, plus, gotta split this one up into 10 plus 2. All right, I used them all. All right, let's put it together. So we've got 1,000. Here's my hundreds. 400 plus 100 is 500. Plus our tens. 40 plus 10 is 50 plus our 1